So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a light replacement on pure Gen 3 handlebars. The tools you will need is a 3mm Allen key, a flathead screwdriver or a Stanley knife, an 8mm spanner, and of course your new light. You should be able to just pull the screen off. This will show you all the connections under the screen. It should be quite obvious which one is the light cable because it will be poking through from the bottom there. This one here. So what you want to do is just unplug the cable like that and then pull the old light off. You may have to take this little rubber bung off, which should just slot out like this, he says. And once you've got this light off with the rubber bung, you can see that just the little plastic bracket here is snapped compared to the new one. So the new one comes with a new plastic rubber bung and a nut and bolt for it. Now you've got the light cable unplugged, what you want to do is go ahead and take this remaining bit of plastic bracket off using your 3mm Allen key and the 8mm spanner. Now you want to take your new light, find the hole that the old cable came out of, thread it up there, and then line up the plastic bracket and the mounting point on the bottom of the handlebars. Now you've got the new bracket lined up and joined on, so the light's nice and snug on there. You can now go ahead and take the cable that you unplugged and find the loose cable from where you just unplugged it and make sure you slot them in. It can only go one way, so it's quite hard to get wrong. And it goes, simple as that. So now you've got your light cable plugged in, you can take your little rubber bung that should come with it that's got a little split in. That will just slide around the cable, whatever way is easiest for you to get it on. Sometimes they can be a bit fiddly, and then that will just need to go around the cable like so and then push down. Sometimes you may need to use your flathead screwdriver just to give it a little push down inside the frame so it sits in there nice and snug and stops any water from getting in. Once you've got your rubber bung all nicely pressed in, they are quite stubborn, so you may need to just go around a couple of times with a screwdriver, just slowly pressing each corner in, and then once you do have it in from one side, you can come in from this side and slowly just lever it out so it sits in there nice and snug. Now you've got all that back in, get the screen in, make sure the cables are nice and out of the way so they're not going to get crushed when you put the screen back in, and then the screen will just click in. There we go, nice and snug. We can get a hold of all sorts of pure parts, new displays, even the first gen stuff, which is really hard to get a hold of nowadays. All sorts of screens, brake levers, throttles, everything you need. A link will be in the description for our website. Like and subscribe if you like this video. And if you do find yourself stuck on trying to fix your scooter, just give us a ring or give us an email and we can get you booked in and have a look at it.